Hey, dearest darling. Yes, it might sound bizarre, but it is actually true. I'm not missing you cause you are in my heart all the time. Today I want to share some serious inner feelings with you. These are very confidential and deep feelings. My life was not like this at the beginning. I have no shame to admit that I had a disturbed childhood. Things were complicated for various reasons. That's why I was a very introverted and lonesome person. Spending time alone was my favorite recreation. I guess my most suitable companion was myself. I was very skittish to meet unknown people. My social circuit was very limited. I never imagined I will meet a gorgeous girl like you someday. But all of a sudden, my life took a surprising turn. As wise people say, that uncertainty is the only certainty. I fall in mad love with you the day I first saw you. It was a divine kiss of love at the very first sight. Falling in love was like a stunning breath of fresh air. It was such a novel and refreshing experience. Every moment that I spent with you is so adorable and enjoyable. I'm still clueless about how you did select me. Maybe we're just made for each other and nailed by the Almighty. I'm now a much better person just because of your love and care. Your positive energy uplifts me the most. I am so grateful and fulfilled that I have achieved your love. Trust me, babe, my love will be always selfless and unconditional.